Mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode, then you can just walk in. Look at what I did. Then you start pointing to yourself. Look at it. You should be pointing to yourself, guys. Point to yourself. Point to yourself, right? Yes. Point to yourself, guys. After pointing to yourself now, what do is you make a jump, alright? You jump up and come down, then you walk out. Record an empty background for a few seconds, alright? Then after that, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace, guys. Import it. Then click your video, go and look for volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want your video to start from. So at this point, go back a bit, then click on the video and make a split, alright? Delete the first part, we don't need it again. So from this place, immediately you point to yourself, you click and make a split. Go and look for adjust. Look for adjust, guys. Click on adjust. Click on HSL. Go and look for HSL. Click on HSL now. Mark on that blue. Then you do your adjustment. Okay. Look at what I am doing. After that, you mark on that good and go back. If you have gotten another color, mark on that good. Go back. Alright. Then look at the result. Good. Then at this point, immediately you point to yourself again. Click and make a split, guys. Click and make a split. Go and look for adjust again, guys. Look for adjust. Click on adjust now. HSL. Click it again. Go and click on reset. Click confirm. Click on that blue again. Do your color adjustments again. Look for another color, right? Look at what I am doing. As you are playing with the tray icons, the color will be changing, alright? You see the tray icons there. Play with them, the color will be changing. By the time you get your preferably color, mark on the good and go back. Look at it now. Good. So immediately you point to yourself again. You click and make a split. Then go and look for adjust. This is what you keep doing to the number you want to make. Even if you want it to be 10, you want it to be but remember, anytime you click adjust and come to this place, go and locate reset. Alright, you click on reset, then you click on confirm, then you mark on blue before you start making your adjustments. Alright, you can see what I am doing. So you are playing with the tray icons, you are getting your result. Alright, so you are playing with them, you see immediately you click and adjust. Then you will see how there, see saturation, see lightness. Be playing with that tray icons, alright? Then you'll be getting your results. Immediately you point, look at it. This is what you keep doing, alright? Follow it step by step. It's not difficult, alright? So this is the adjustment. When you come in here, click on reset, then you click on confirm, you mark on your color, then you start playing with this tray Mr. Man here. The whole saturation and lightness. Alright, you just be clicking them, taking them opposite each other. You'll be seeing as you are adjusting them, you'll be seeing that the colors will be changing. Alright, this is what you will do until you get the number of colors you want to make. Alright, you can see I am doing my own. Then you point to yourself, make a split, then come and look for adjust, click HSL, click reset, click confirm, mark on the blue, then you start adjusting. Alright, so that is just that. This is how to make this color transition effect. Alright, it's not too difficult, just follow it step by step, precept by precept, and you are going to get the exact result you watched on this video. Alright, so this is how you keep doing it. You can see we are still adjusting. Alright, look at the result, look at the result, look at the result, look at the result. Immediately you point to yourself now, make a split again. Alright, go and look for adjust. Okay, click on adjust, and then you click on HSL, click on adjust here, click HSL, go and mark reset. Immediately you click it, confirm, mark on this blue here, then you start making your adjustments. Let me this one is okay. The next thing we are going to be doing here, let's play it. Let me show you. So play the video to the point where you jump up. Let's keep playing it to the point where you make that jump. All right. Immediately you get there, you click and make a split now. All right. Look at this place where you make a jump. What we are going to be doing now is to change the color as well. All right. So after changing the color, you have known how to change your color now. Mark on that reset, click on confirm, mark on blue, then you do your color adjustment. After changing the color now, then you mark on that good and go back. Let's finish changing the color. At the point after changing it, we mark on the good and go back. Look at the next thing we are going to be doing here now. All right. So the next thing now is to mark on this very place, cut out an empty background. All right. Look at it, then click on that center where you make that split. Click on it. Allow the transition to load. Okay, allow it to load, then you click on mix. Now click on mix. Immediately you jump up, you disappear into this one. Good, look at it there. Good. So at this point, click on the empty background, then you make a split. You delete the last part, we don't need it again. All right, this video is ready. Okay, you can go and play it from the beginning. Let's see what we have got. But at the cost of playing this video, the video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your light effect, your sound effect, your color if there is need for that. Then after that, you will now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add them, I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. My number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add all your necessary effects and the rest. Then after that, you can now export your video. All right, so at this point now, what we want to be doing is we want to click on export. So click on export now and export this your video to your gallery. All right, the video I've exported. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, so you can now share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.